What's going on, guys? Today we are back. A couple little parts to put in the 4Runner over there. Alright, so this is my wife's 1996 Toyota 4Runner, and the issue right now is like all the shifts, like you can see, this isn't very solid. Like it's in first gear, but it's very loose and wiggles around. Same with when you're like trying to put it into gear. In some gears it's kind of hard to select because it's not as firm and like just as solid as it should be. So to fix that, we got new bushings for the shifter itself. I'll show you how to change that out. So we got to start by removing all these plastic bits here. And to do that, it's quite simple. It's all clipped in. So it start with this one, pull up. Obviously, undo your shift knobs. Boom. And then this guy also is just clipped in. So next there's this bolt here, 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 and here on the other side. There. As you can see, that's off. So next step here, as you can see, there's 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now the whole thing will just pull out. So now that I got this out, I got it on my bench here, and you can see the one part here is what we're replacing here. Got to push down in here and rotate it, and she'll free up. Free up the spring-loaded thing anyways. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, push it in, or push it up straight down, rotate it 90 degrees, and this whole thing will come up. We can pull that out. You can actually see this second piece in here at the bottom. Put in there. Push. Now this other one, I'm going to use my channel locks. Just kind of pull it off like that. So to put it back in, you need to be pushing straight down into it so that it lines up perfectly. So putting it back together is just 100% opposite of what we did to take it apart. So, feed this guy in here, line up the pins, push this guy in, down, and then turn it clockwise. Alright, so as I told you, it's my wife's 4Runner, so for the test drive, I'm going to get her to drive it and tell me how it feels.
This feels amazing.
Yeah? It's way tighter?
So much tighter. This is really great, love. It's so different. I don't know what you want me to say.
You heard it from her first. Anyways, guys, that's a quick tutorial on, I guess, how to change out the bushings in your shifter. Super easy job, maybe 45 minutes. But yeah, so if you like this stuff, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, let me know in the comments, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one.